In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Sounds and Vibration. Then you can tap on Vibrate at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. If you don't want to mute it, you can select Sound on the left and this way manage this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. Then scroll again, and to really adjust call vibration, click here. Now you can select Silent to disable them or apply one of those vibration patterns, like heartbeat. When you're done, go back and do exactly the same for your notifications. Go back again, tap on System Vibration, and here operate this slider under System Vibration Intensity to adjust it. Then tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for the chosen ones. Once you're done, go back, click on Vibration Intensity, and operate the same intensity slider from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!